Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to delete wallpaper on this device. So when you wish to remove your wallpaper, you have to lock your device at first. When you have passcode or fingerprint, just hold your screen like this and then provide fingerprint or the passcode. When you have Face ID, you will have to focus this device on your face to unlock collections, and here you've got the collections. Now if you wish to delete, for example, this wallpaper, all you have to do is to slide up and then click on bin icon. Now confirm that you wish to delete this wallpaper, and that's it. As you can see, it has been gone. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.